Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add super thanks to your YouTube videos. If you're new here, my name is Michael, and without further ado, let's get started. Super thanks is a feature on YouTube that allows you to receive donation and support from your audience. This can help you increase your earning on YouTube from viewers who wish to support your channel or show appreciation. First of all, your channel must be monetized. Once you meet these requirements, you'll be able to add super thanks to your YouTube videos. In this video, I'll be showing you how to get the thanks icon in this section. So first, sign into your YouTube studio. Click on your profile icon at the top right and then click on YouTube studio. This will take you to your channel studio. Come to this section and scroll till you find N. Now click on N and then click on supers. You'll be able to turn on super chats, super stickers and super thanks. They are all different ways in which you can earn from YouTube. To add super thanks to your YouTube videos, toggle super thanks and your super thanks will now be enabled. This may take a while for it to show. Click on the three dots here and then you should see thanks. So now when anyone is watching your video and they click on thanks, they'll be able to make donation and support your channel. They can select the amount they want to give out and then send you the money. So if you wish to turn it off, head over to your YouTube studio again and then toggle it off. Click I understand the implication of this action, meaning that your fans will no longer be able to see thanks as a purchase option. Then click on turn off. So thank you guys for watching this video on how to add super thanks to your YouTube videos. If you do find this video helpful, do make sure to subscribe to this channel and have that post notification bell turned on. And do not forget to like and share this video. I hope to see you in my next video.